Hello everyone. Our today's topic is gas welding. Okay. Gas welding is the most important type of the welding process. Gas welding is done by burning of the fuel gases with the help of oxygen, which forms a concentrated flame of high temperature. Okay, and this flame is directly strikes the weld area and melt the weld surfaces and the filler material. The melted part of the welding plates diffuse in one another and create a weld joint after cooling. This is the basic gas welding process. This welding method can be used to join most of the common metal which we use in our daily routine life. Now, which equipments are used to done gas welding? So the equipments like welding torch, pressure regulators, gas cylinders like oxygen and acetylene gas cylinders, a hose and hose pipe, welding tip, these all components are used while doing gas welding. Okay, so first of all, what is the function of the welding torch in gas welding? So this is a tool which is used for mixing the oxygen and acetylene in correct proportion and burning the mixture at the end of the welding tip. Next is the welding tip. So welding tip is a portion of the welding apparatus through which the gases just pass to their ignition and burning. The tip sizes are governed by the diameter of the opening, and the diameter of the tip opening used for welding depends upon the type of the metal to be welded. Okay. Next is the pressure regulator. As we all know that the function of the pressure regulator is to regulate the pressure of the gas. So pressure regulator are used for mainly two purposes: to reduce the cylinder pressure to the required working pressure, and the second is to produce a steady flow of the gas regardless of the pressure variation at the source. Okay. Next is the hose and hose fittings. So hose of the welding torch should be strong, durable, non-porous and light. The most common method of the piping both the oxygen and acetylene gas cylinder is use it with the reinforced rubber hose, which comes in black, green and red colors. Okay, black is the standard color for the oxygen hose, red color is for acetylene and green color is for the industrial available welding gases. Okay. Special hose fittings and connection are provided for attachment to the torch and the pressure regulators. Next is the gas cylinders. So we know that this is the gas welding, so gas is must there. Okay, so in gas welding there are separate cylinder of oxygen and acetylene are used. Okay. Other equipments that are used for the gas welding like goggles which fitted with the color lenses that are used for protecting the eyes from the harmful heat and ultraviolet and infrared rays. Gloves are used to protect the hands from the injury, and spark lighter is provides a convenient and instant means of the lighting the weld. Okay, so these all are the equipments used while using or while doing gas welding. Now let's learn in detail how this gas welding actually works. So gas welding process is quite similar to the arc welding process. Gas welding is done by burning of the combustible gas with the air or oxygen in concentrated flame of high temperature. The purpose of the flame is to heat and melt the parent metal and filler rod of a joint, and various combustible gas can be used for producing a hot flame for various purposes. Most commonly used flame is oxygen and acetylene flame. Okay, the temperature of the oxyacetylene flame is its hottest region is approximately 3200 degrees Celsius. Now let's discuss how this oxyacetylene gas welding done. So oxyacetylene gas welding is accomplished by melting the edge of the surface to be joined by the gas flame and allowing the molten metal to flow together. This process is particularly suitable for joining metal sheets and plates having thickness up to 2 mm to 50 mm with material thicker than 15 mm. And additional metal, which is also called filler metal, is added to the weld in form of the welding rod. The correct adjustment of the flame is important in this gas welding. When the oxygen and acetylene are supplied to the torch, if the volume of this oxygen and acetylene both are equal, then neutral flame is produced, and this neutral flame is desirable for most of the welding operation, and it is widely used for welding of the steel. Now if the volume of the oxygen is more than the acetylene, then oxidizing flame is produced, and if the volume of acetylene is more than the oxygen, then carburizing flame is produced. Okay, so let's do some practical in our workshop. So right now we are in our workshop, and today we are going to perform a practical related to gas welding, and Mr. Vipul Sahani who is helping us to do this practical. So in gas welding we require total two gas cylinder. One is the acetylene gas cylinder and another is the oxygen gas cylinder. Okay, so by burning of this gas with air and oxygen is concentrated flame of high temperature. Okay, and the purpose of this flame is to heat and melt the parent metal and filler rod of a joint. So you can see this is pressure regulator. The function of this pressure regulator is to reduce the cylinder pressure to the required working pressure and to produce a steady flow of the gas regardless of the pressure variation at the source. Next you can see these are the hose and hose fittings. The hose fitting of this welding torch should be strong, durable and non-porous and light. This is the gas welding tip. Okay, it is that portion of the welding apparatus through which the gases pass just prior to their ignition and burning. The tip sizes are governed by the diameter of the opening. This is spark lighter, which is used to produce the spark. Okay, when this spark is produced in oxygen and acetylene mixture, when this oxygen and acetylene mixture comes in contact with this spark, the burning of at the weld tip is done. Okay, so you can see with the help of striker spark tool, this flame is burned. This is the neutral flame. In neutral flame, the quantity of oxygen and acetylene both are equal. Okay. When we are increasing the quantity of acetylene and reducing the quantity of oxygen, the flame which produces, that is carburizing flame. So this is the carburizing flame in the gas welding. So you can see here we are joining these two metal sheets, and in this the filler rod is used. Okay, and in oxyacetylene gas welding, the melting edge or surface to be joined by a gas flame, allowing the molten metal to flow together, and thus we can get a solid joint between these two sheets. The temperature of this flame is, its hottest region is about 3200 degrees Celsius. So you can see this is the final combined 2 GI sheet which we have connected with the help of this gas welding. Okay.